Welcome. And what we're going to do now is we're going to make a couple of changes to our heading contents, and then we're going to add some styles. So what I've done here, of course, is I've got a heading 1 which says home, and a heading 2 that says this is the content for the layout. So let's change that. I click back to my design, which means that my graphic will stop, and I can go to this, so I don't have to go down to the code, and I can say Cafe, about Cafe Townsend, no problem. And then I can go down to 3, and wherever you put the cursor it changes down here. I can go and I can change it here actually. I can go and go introduction. Introduction. Oh, and I took out my anchor bracket, which is not good. That's it, which is going in there, and I click in and it's changed. There you go. So I've got introduction, I've got about Cafe Townsend there. I don't know why that's kicked in a little bit, it seems to have. And then we've got our text, which is coming in. Now, to add some styles, what we need to do is make a cascading style sheet. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to New, and instead of making an HTML, I'm going to make a CSS, a .css. And what that has done is made just a very, very simple .css sheet. I can get rid of my text, and we need to go File, Save it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that in Cafe Townsend in my CSS. Now I've got one in there which was older, but this one I'm going to rename, and I'm going to call this one Screen, because you can make different styles for phone or tablet. So we're going to do this one for a computer screen, and I'm going to go Save. Now what I'm going to do here is I then go to my index, and I'm going to go File, and I'm going to go to Attach Style Sheet, and then I'm going to go okay, let's browse for it, and I'm going to go into my CSS, and I click on Screen, and then I'm going to go OK, and that has now linked my index page to my screen.css. Lovely.